Al-Jami', the gatherer, who unites creation and gathers all on Judgment Day.
Al-Ghani, the self-sufficient, free of all needs. Al-Mughni, the enricher, who grants wealth and sufficiency.
Al-Manik, the preventer, who protects and withholds harm. Ad-Dar, the bringer of harm, who allows trials for wisdom.
An-Nafi', the bringer of benefit, who blesses creation with good.
An-Nur, the light, who guides all hearts to truth.
Al-Hadi, the guide, who directs to the straight path. Al-Badi', the incomparable originator, who creates without example.
Al-Baqi, the everlasting, who never perishes. Al-Warith, the inheritor, to whom all things return.
Ar-Rashid, the guide to the right path, who directs with wisdom. As-Sabur, the most patient, who never rushes yet is just.
These are the 99 names of Allah, each a light, a mercy, a guide for our lives.